In this video, we will show the best hand toolkits in India 2020. At number 1, Bosch Hand Toolkit. Features. Our review. At number 2, Black+Decker BM 154 Pieces Professional Toolkit. Features. Our review. At number 3, Visko Household Hand Toolkit. Features. Our review. At number 4, Taparia S14MXL 1/2 inch square drive socket set. Features. Our review. At number 5, HSR Precision Screwdriver Set Multi-Pocket Repair Toolkit. Features. Our review. At number 6, Tools for All Socket Hand Toolkit. Features. Our review. At number 7, Ketsy 848 Hand Toolkit. Features. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.